The device draws air from the front and exhausts air from the back without any air filter. Therefore, if the device is installed in an open rack, you need to install an air filter door. Next, let's look at the installation method in detail.
Remove the hooks on the wrench. Then, remove plastic caps from the two mounting ears on both sides and install the support marked with L onto the mounting ears on the left. Install the right support in the same way. Install the air filter door and place the hooks onto the cable bridges of the two side doors. Connect the door control cable to the ALM-in interface on the MPU. Install dust-proof components on both sides of the cable rack.